Hello students, in this video I am going to teach integration. Clear? This is second video of integration. Understood? This is second video of integration. In the first video, already I have told you so many things about integration. What do you mean by integration? How we can integrate a given function. But in this second video, I am going to tell how we can integrate sin square x, cos square x, sin cube x, cos cube x, sin power 4x, cos power 4x, sin power 6x, cos power 6x. So many. Understood? Then integration of sin square x dx. Clear? We have formula of here. Formula means integration of sin x dx is equal to what? Sin x is equal to what? Minus cos x. Minus cos x plus c. Second, integration of cos x is equal to what? Sin x plus c. And next one, sec square x dx is equal to what? Tan x plus c. Fourth one, cosec square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. Understood? So we did the formula also. But for square, only we have this much formula. Means for square means only for square of sec and cosec formula we have. Remaining we don't have formula. Clear? Suppose that integration of tan square x, cot square x, sin square x, cos square x don't have formula. Then how we can integrate? Very simple. We have to change given questions, given value, change into sec or cosec. Tan square is equal to what? We have formula sec square is equal to 1 plus tan square. Clear? Then tan square is equal to what? Sec square x minus 1. Clear? Cot square is equal to what? Already we have formula cos square x minus 1. Clear? But sin square x we don't have formula. Therefore, with the help of trigonometrical identities, we will change this sin square x or cos square x or sin cube or cos cube x into without power. Without power means without square, without cube. Then we have formula here. Cos 2x is equal to what? 2 cos square x minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square x. Clear? But we have to integrate sin square x. Then cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Then 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Understood? If integration of sin square will come or cos square will come, with the help of this formula, we can find the value of sin square x or cos square x in the terms of cos. Clear? Then we will put in the place of this value. Clear? Now, what is the value of sin square x in the terms of cos? 1 minus cos 2x upon what? 2 and dx. Now, here 1 by 2 constant, integration of 1 minus cos 2x and dx. 1 by 2, 1 means constant, integration, any constant means constant variable, means x minus integration of cos 2x is equal to what? Cos means sin 2x and constant numbers divide in integration. Integration it will be multiply, but integration divide and plus c. Now x by 2 minus sin 2x by 4 plus c. Now this is answer. Understood? Any doubt? Then sin square x, we don't have formula. Then with the help of these identities, because during calculus when I was telling about the differentiation, that times I told you please learn all integration formula, all trigonometry also formula, because it is very very important. Clear? Now by this methods we can integrate cos square x also here. Understood? Now you see integration of sin cube x. Integration of sin cube x dx. Clear? Then we have formula of sin 3x is equal to what? 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx. This also formula we have. Now from this formula we will find sin qx. Sin qx is equal to what? 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Then sin qx is equal to what? 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon here 4. Understood? Then here sin qx is equal to what? 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon 4 dx. Then 3 by 4 integration of sin x dx minus 1 by 4 and integration of sin 3x and dx. 3 by 4 sin x, 1 by 4 sin 3x. 3 by 4, what is the integration of sin x? Minus cos x into minus cos x. 1 by 4 sin 3x means what? Minus cos 3x, and divide by 3, clear, and plus c means minus 3 cos x by 4 minus minus plus here, and cos of 3x upon what? 12 plus c. Now this is answer. Any doubt? What is important? Formula important. Understood? Now with the help of these methods we can integrate cos cube x also here. Good. Now say sin cos 4x. Sin cos 4x dx is equal to sin square x whole square into dx. Understood? Now here, what is value of sin square x? 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 whole square here dx. Now 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. 1 minus b whole square means 1 square means a square, and cos square 2x minus 2 cos of 2x and here dx. Understood? A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and 1 by 4, 1 plus. Now we have to find cos square 2x, cos square 2x in the terms of without square. Cos 4x is equal to what? 2 cos square 2x minus 1. Understood? Because cos 4x means cos 2 into 2x, cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta minus 1. Therefore, cos 4x plus 1. Because taking LCM, 2 into 1, 2, cos 4x plus 1, 2 2s are 4, cos 2x, and 2 outside, 1 by 8. Integration of 2 plus 1 is equal to what? 3. Integration of 3 dx plus integration of cos 4x dx minus here 4 integration of cos 2x dx. 1 by 1 spreading here. 1 by 8, 3 means what? 3x plus cos 4x means what? Sin 4x upon 4. 4 into cos 2x means what? Sin 2x upon 2 plus c. After that, multiply here 3x upon 8 plus sin 4x upon 32 minus here multiply means cancel here 2 also here sin 2x upon 4 plus c. Understood? Because how it will come 4? 4 by 2 means 16 by 4 by 16 or 4 by 16 means 4 here. Now this is answer.